Living in Andaman, the reality nobody talks about. People usually ask me one question: अंडमान में रहना कैसा होता है? The honest answer is, it really depends on how much time you're willing to give it. Because this place doesn't impress you on day one. It waits. Take this morning: cloudy sky, grey water. Normally, we would call this day a dull day. Yaha, this is just another day. The sea here doesn't change for your mood. It's just in its place, sometimes calm, sometimes wild, but always itself. और जब आप रोज इसके साथ रहते हो, you stop expecting entertainment. You just start accepting the reality. You start noticing routines that make this place feel alive. Some start their day on the sand, some just watch, letting the day unfold. Walking with Zion, I feel that these are the real quiet moments that don't need words. People going about their work, little shacks getting ready, someone arranging trinkets, someone resting. और हर छोटी चीज इस आइलैंड लाइफ का हिस्सा है. Kulfi ready for those who stroll by. A few smiles exchanged with strangers. Small gestures that somehow feel larger than life. A vendor starts her day with simple work. Hands skilled, movements practiced. और ज़ाइन के लिए fresh coconut water तैयार. You share the coconut together, sip by sip, feeling the freshness, the sweetness, और हर bite में island का taste महसूस होता है. And then the unexpected happens. बारिश. People adjust. Vendors cover their stalls and somehow the day feels lighter. और हम बस हंसते हैं, noticing how the island lives. On an island, the sea isn't a view, it's a habit. It's how distance shrink, how days move forward. For outsiders, this feels like leisure. For locals, it is just life happening. Boats come and go, carrying people, stories, supplies, and the routines. Out here, you learn patience. You learn to trust the timing of tides. You wait without frustration, to enjoy the journey without rushing the destination. Sometimes nature surprises you. A sudden burst of color in the sky. A reminder that beauty doesn't announce itself. You only see it if you are present. Up here, surrounded by water, the world feels quieter, smaller, and somehow clearer. On an island, movement is never taken for granted. Every crossing matters. Every ride carries purpose. This isn't travel, this is connection. Cars, people, machines, supplies, सब एक साथ चलते हुए. Here, nobody rushes the process. Engines start when they are ready, and the island decides the pace. On an island, you don't ask why things take time. You understand. Time is part of the journey. When the sun goes down, the island doesn't sleep. It simply changes its tone. Lights come on slowly. Markets fill up, not with urgency, but with familiarity. By morning, the rhythm shifts again. Some people begin where others end. Fishing isn't a profession here, it's inheritance, passed down quietly, net by net. Their patience is a way work is done. No rush, no drama. Just an understanding that the sea gives when it's ready. And somewhere in between, there always a chai. A small shop, steam arising, hands that know the routine by heart. Strangers sit close, yet everyone feels at home. On an island, celebrations are simple. No reservations, no planned weeks in advance. Food comes from home. Hands open it together. Laughter replaces formality. And sharing isn't an act of kindness, it's just how things are done.
और बस स्पून ला रहा है केदार अभी बच्चों की
As the day leans towards the evening, life slows down again. Tea is poured not to impress, but to pause, to sit, to look around, and stay a little longer. Scooters pass, roads stretch quietly, and you realize joy here doesn't arrive suddenly, it settles in quietly. Living on an island teaches you something quietly. Joy doesn't need reasons, it just needs space. Sometimes all it takes is leaving things behind for a while. No plans, no rush, just moving because it feels right. People gather without asking why. Laughter comes easily. Age doesn't matter here. Everyone comes equal in the moment. Water falls endlessly. People play, shout, pause, repeat. The same joy again and again. And when it's time to leave, no one feels disappointed because nothing was taken for granted. Island life teaches you this: happiness doesn't come from chasing experiences, it appears when you allow yourself to be present. Sometimes the island gives back, not loudly, not dramatically. You find yourself away from everything. No crowds, no noise, just time slowing down. Out here, you don't feel the need to speak. You don't check the clock. You don't look for the next thing. You walk quietly. You notice what's been left behind, what's changed, what remains. Living on an island teaches you this. Peace isn't something you reach, it's something you stop interrupting. As the day ends, the sky softens. The sea holds the light for a few seconds longer, and everything feels complete without trying. This is Andaman, not a destination, not a checklist, just a life.